How to make the letter S. Now this is a fun one. We'll blow up a balloon. And I didn't blow it all the way up because we won't need the whole thing. We'll probably get rid of some of it at the end. Okay, so the first part is it's going to be curve, and then at this part where it goes across, that's where you use 2 pinch twists and then curve at the bottom. So let's make the top curve first. So let's force air out and let it back in. We want a nice rounded look for the S, because the S is rounded. Go figure. Okay, so about here for the cross piece, we'll do a pinch twist. Come over here and we'll do another pinch twist. And then we'll have the bottom curve like this. So we're shaping it. I'm forcing air out and letting it back in, forcing it out and letting it back in till you get the shape that you want. And I believe you can already see it there. A nice big old S. Force air out, let it back in. And then of course we have too much, so we'll pop off this part here, twist it, and then I twist it again. This is going to be what's left so that I'll have something to tie with, and I'll pop here. Get rid of that, let go of that, and I've got plenty to tie it with. Okay, and then it's just more shaping. It's not like an exact science. It's kind of like you do it, you know, as you go, and until you get what you are after. And there we have our S, and it can be a capital or a lowercase s. If you want to shape it more, go right ahead. If you want this to come out more, then push it like that so it hooks more like that. We could have made the bar across there shorter. That would have given it a different look. But now you have plenty to work with in order to make your S. And that's a reasonable S. It can be an uppercase or lowercase. The next one is a T, and that's very easy.